Welcome back to the Autocar Zone channel. We're excited to showcase the latest design possibilities for upcoming cars. The interior design of the EV6 is modern and attractive, although not as bold as its exterior. Unlike the Ioniq 5, the EV6 lacks a sliding center console and front seat footrests, but it compensates with high-tech features like a large digital dashboard screen and practical elements such as a floating center console with clever storage solutions. Notable features include a two-tone, two-spoke steering wheel, a prominent start button on the center console, and gold accents throughout the cockpit. With a flat floor and a wheelbase as long as the three-row midsize Kia Telluride, the EV6 offers ample passenger space. Additionally, it provides 28 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to a total of 54 cubic feet, with the rear seatbacks folded flat. For those prioritizing driving range over speed, we recommend the twin-engine all-wheel drive wind trim. It offers the most affordable way to get all-weather traction and features dual motors that produce a combined 320 horsepower compared to lower single-motor outputs. The use of standard 19-inch wheels also helps maintain driving range. The entry-level light rear-wheel drive model comes with a 58.0 kWh battery, while other EV6 models are equipped with an 84.0 kWh unit. Although EPA range estimates for the larger battery are not yet available, last year's model with a slightly smaller 77.4 kWh battery could reach up to 310 miles. With an 800-volt operating voltage, Kia claims the battery can charge from 10 to 80% in less than 18 minutes using a 350 kWh fast charger. That's all the information we have for now. Stay healthy and thank you for watching Autocar Zone channel.